You should probably use JavaScript, and that's why. The first reason is versatility. JavaScript is a language that can be used both on the client side, front-end, and server-side, back-end, making it a versatile choice for developers. On the front-end, JavaScript can create dynamic and interactive web applications. It's responsible for anything on a web page that moves, refreshes, or responds to user interaction without requiring a page reload. On the backend, with the advantage of Node.js, JavaScript can be used to build servers and manage databases. This means a developer could technically use JavaScript to build an entire web application from scratch, both the parts users see and interact with, and the server-side processes that handle data and business logic. This versatility is a huge advantage for developers. It means they can become proficient in one language and use it across multiple areas of development. The second reason is community and support. JavaScript has one of the largest and most active developer communities. This is a significant advantage for both new and experienced developers. When you're stuck on a problem or need to learn a new concept, there's a good chance someone else has already faced the same issue and shared their solution or explanation online. The JavaScript community contributes to a vast number of open source libraries and frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js, which can significantly speed up development and make coding in JavaScript even more efficient. Moreover, the community's size also means that JavaScript is continually evolving and improving. New features and updates are regularly introduced, making it a dynamic and exciting language to work with. The third reason is career opportunities. JavaScript is one of the most in-demand programming languages in the job market. Its versatility, as mentioned earlier, makes it a valuable skill for many different types of programming jobs, from front-end development roles to back-end development roles with Node.js, for example. Moreover, JavaScript is also used in the booming field of mobile app development with frameworks like React Native, allowing developers to write mobile apps in JavaScript that run on both Android and iOS. The last reason is ease of learning. Like Python, JavaScript is often considered one of the easiest programming languages for beginners to learn. Its syntax is relatively straightforward and it doesn't require the setup of a complex development environment. You can start coding in JavaScript directly in your web browser. Moreover, because JavaScript is primarily used for web development, beginners can quickly see the results of their code in a visual and interactive format, which can be more rewarding and motivating than other types of programming. Now, should you use it? Well, it depends. Let's say you are a beginner. Like Python, I strongly suggest it for the syntax simplicity and the visual reward you get when programming in JavaScript. But if you're more advanced, I would only use it for web development because for mobile and game development there are better alternatives like Kotlin for mobile and any kind of engine for game development. By the way guys, if you liked that video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until then, keep coding, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.